So earlier this year, we released the DLSS 4.5 with like super resolution and frame generation. So we introduced the second generation transformer model as well as frame generation up to 6x. And community feedback has been amazing. Everyone really loved the second generation transformer model, and they asked when is it coming to Ray Reconstruction. So here we are. It's coming later in August to like all Ray Reconstruction games. So like Pragmata, Indiana Jones, Alan Wake. We'll all get this update. And yeah, so there's like 27 plus titles today that support Ray Reconstruction. And yeah, I'll just like feel free to like take a closer look. I don't bite, I promise. And I'll show you some like comparisons between like the DLSS 4 Ray Reconstruction and DLSS 4.5. So yeah, if you pay attention to the lasers here, as it goes to the back, it kind of like lingers, ghosts and lingers in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there as well.
Yeah. With DLSS 4.5, we're able to resolve that.
Okay.
Yeah. So DLSS 4.5 for reconstruction now utilizes a second generation transformer model, which has 35% more compute, so it's more efficient, as well as 20% more parameters, so it's more accurate, especially like lighting accuracy, lighting responsiveness. Yeah. So FPS-wise, it's like kind of like fluctuating a little bit because like things are like constantly moving here, but it should be like fairly close. When we benchmark it, it's about like 1% difference between 4 and 4.5. So yeah, people will get like all the, I guess like image quality benefits without sacrificing performance. So yeah, these are 4Ks running at performance right now. Yeah. There's also like more subtle things like boiling. I think like that kind of like happens with Ray Reconstruction. So if you pay attention to like the windowsill here, it's kind of like crawling a little bit. But in here, it's like a lot more stable.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you want to just like pay attention to this one, I can like toggle it here. So this is the old model, and this is the new model. Yeah. So yeah, this is in Pragmata. So we are running 4x frame gen on both with 5080s. I can show you over there. That's Indiana Jones. These are running 5070 Ti's, also 4K max settings, performance. So yeah, at a first glance, so Ray Reconstruction built on top of this super resolution. So all the benefits from super resolution, you also get in Ray Reconstruction. So like more details such as like the sand right here, it's like pretty flat. Here you get all the all the bumps back, yeah. As well as just like the depth of the shadows on the rocks itself. It's like more vivid. And yeah, just like small details such as like the dent in the barrel.
Oh yeah.
When people come here, just like, all right, there's like the game of like find the differences.
Yeah.
An amazing thing about the DLSS 4.5 reconstruction as well as the lighting responsiveness. So there's like a very common like some earlier press like few days that have came by have been asking like, oh, how about like the lighting responsiveness? Because like this happens like quite a bit with games that have
that fade.
Because like it happens with basically scenes that are extremely difficult to denoise. So places with like lots of like lighting, and yeah, so there's a fade as well as just like the cable kind of lingers. So yeah, that responsiveness have been improved with DLSS 4.5.
That's way better.
Yeah,
because that's one of the things that's really bothered me with.
Yeah,
this tech,
when you like walk into like a dark room, it takes time for it to like settle.
Yes.
Stuff like that.
Yeah, that's way faster.
Yeah. So yeah, here we're just like showing basically the whole story of like DLSS 4 versus DLSS 4.5 that's coming. So everything's gonna be updated by August to 27 plus games through.
Just in the override, is it?
What was that? Yeah, override. Yeah. So people can just like immediately override it when it's released. But we are also updating the SDK for developers to integrate it into their games. And then yeah, and hopefully more people make games that support Ray Reconstruction.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.